Alright, we just got back.
Welcome back.
Alright, hey, what's up guys?
What's up?
What's it looking like now?
It's been quite a while and I think our keema is ready.
That looks nice, that looks nice. So what do we eat it with? What do you think we can eat it with?
We eat it with some basmati rice
Okay.
or some leche patatas.
Okay, I guess that's why you got this little...
Yeah, well, we're gonna cook them later.
Okay, alright, so what's
Or
next
some-
guys? What's next?
We're
Or
gonna
some
make
what?
a
Or
soup.
some butter naan as well.
Okay,
I like
yeah.
it with butter naan at least.
Okay, so what's next?
So we're gonna eat
Ooh,
some
what's this?
sear fish.
Oh,
Or
seafood.
as some people may call it, King Fish.
Okay, alright. So what are we making with this?
Soup.
Okay, what kind of soup?
Hot and
For
sour soup.
Hot and sour, Shanghai hot and sour soup.
Okay.
We
so-
have chosen this. You may choose any of your liking.
Okay, and how do we
Yes.
get this? Where do we get this?
You can get this in any of your your supermarkets, or any shop, in fact, that sells this.
Okay, and then we're just making a little diluted
And what you
version.
do is you just put you take the powder, you put it into a bowl or some container, put some water, and just stir it in for a bit, and it becomes this.
Okay, so what
That's
we
how
got
you do
here?
it.
What are these? So these are the ingredients?
These are the ingredients for the soup.
Okay, alright.
We
got
need
bell
some-
peppers.
We need some coriander, basil leaves,
Okay.
bell peppers, garlic, onions, tomatoes, and some mushrooms. Mushroom
right.
Kingdom, here
What's
we
this?
come.
Is that booze? What is that?
Red wine vinegar.
Okay, so alright, so what goes first, guys?
Of course. What else? The veggies. We gotta saute the veggies, of course.
Okay,
Not
alright, so let's
sauteed.
saute it. Alright, okay, let's check back with you. We're gonna start off over here, I suppose. And let's move on to part 2, which is coming up next.